Hi guys, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you guys how I make the market style waffles, okay? So I do have another video of making protein waffles where you do the egg whites and Greek yogurt, which is what I tell you guys to do for all the mixes. The nice thing about that is, and I'm gonna touch this because I'm making it for myself. The thing is the bread gets a little bit thicker when you're doing egg whites and Greek yogurt. Now if you can hear me, please just say I can hear you, because my alarm just went off and I don't want to lose what I'm saying. The reason I like to do market style waffles is because I feel like it has more of a bread texture. So when I'm eating like a turkey burger, it tastes like I'm eating a lot of burger and a little bit of bread instead of all bread and no burger. So the way you do it is just, I have 8 eggs in here, okay? See my eggs? And then what I do, I add 2 cups of skinny mix. 1, 2, okay? I add 1 cup of half and half. I add 1 cup of egg whites. And then I do 2 cups of water. Okay, guys? Now again, you're not eating wheat flour, you're not eating anything except super healthy ingredients. I'm gonna blend it now. See how it is? See how it's kind of runny? So what I'm gonna do is I normally just let it sit for a minute and thicken up. And then once it thickens up, I'm gonna put it in my waffle maker. I'm gonna try to show you. I'm gonna move this now and put the waffle maker in its place. Here's the waffle maker, okay?
$10 a minute. I see her on the Facebook, so I'm like, oh.
He's joking. So, okay, now I'm gonna spray my waffle maker. Now this waffle maker, we sell these at the market, and for the same price Amazon sells them for, so you can come get this here. But what I love about the Dash, I just feel like the Dash makes the best waffles. It's really the best brand for waffle makers. I don't know, I love it. And I like it, it's nice when this is runny. So if you just do this, you pour it in here, okay? And then you can just spread it out. I don't have here, I'm gonna just use this knife to spread it out. You don't have to fill this up, okay guys? It will rise all on its own, and it makes 4 waffles, and I should be able to get about 8 of these. So I should get anywhere from like 28, 32 waffles, market style. And I think this waffle maker might make them a little bit thicker than my circle one. So again, you can just pour a little bit in there. As this sits though, it's going to thicken. So once it starts thickening, what you want to do is spoon it in and then spread it out. You might even need to like get a little thing of water, stick your hands in it, and pat the mix and spread it out, okay? I had to do that with these as they got thicker. And so you get 4 of these with each one. And so I'm just gonna use this to make myself sandwiches. I'm gonna make me like a turkey and Swiss. I'll make myself peanut butter and jelly. I'll make myself anything keto. Anything keto. I love club sandwiches. I love McGriddles. I love eggs. I just love eggs and sausage with this. So I'll buy turkey sausage and eggs. Okay guys, so this is just another way that you can use the mixes. And for those of you that buy the mixes or you buy the market waffles, the 12 pack for $20, if you're on a budget, this is a way you can save money to make your own waffles, okay? It's way cheaper to buy the mix and make your own waffles than it is to buy the waffles pre-made. And this is how simple it is, okay? So you can make a whole week's worth. This will give you 32 waffles here, and it might take you 20 minutes from start to finish. Okay, guys, this needs probably a little bit longer, but I'm just gonna open it up so you can see. And if you want them more crispy, you can cook them just a little bit longer, but you gotta remember, you gotta twice bake them to make them more crispy. They're not gonna get real crispy just like this. You have to refrigerate them and then toast them again to get them to have a nice crispy taste, okay? But this is how you make the waffles, guys. Thanks for watching. Come see us. Visit us at healthytreatsmarket.com, and you can click on the recipes, on the 3 bars on recipes, and see tons more recipes like this. And if you live nearby, come to the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.